Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by putting the camera on a soft, flat surface so nothing falls or gets scratched. Once done, remove any mounting brackets and the memory card to avoid damage. Next, confirm which side is the latch and which side is the hinge. This tells you the direction to apply pressure. With dry hands, press the latch release or slide the lock while holding the hinge end steady. You do this to relieve tension on the seal so the case opens smoothly without bending the camera. You depress the latch fully and begin lifting it away from the rubber seal. This disengages the locking tab. Then, keep one hand on the hinge side so the case opens evenly and the pressure doesn't stress the plastic. If the case resists, don't yank. Insert a thin non-metal tool or a guitar pick at the seam and gently work it around to free the lid. Doing this prevents cracking and lets you open the case without disturbing internal mounts or the camera housing. You lift the camera straight up from the cradle, avoiding any twist that could pop connectors or scratch the lens. Once out, inspect the O-ring and sealing surfaces for grit or nicks. This is why you opened it carefully. If the O-ring is damaged, replace it. If it's just dirty, wipe it and the groove with a lint-free cloth. Finally, let the case air dry while open and store the O-ring separately if you removed it. Troubleshooting tip: if the latch sticks, warm the case in your hands.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.